how to make your phone vibrate non-stop on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want your iPhone to always vibrate each time you have a message or each time you have an incoming call non-stop, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your phone vibrate non-stop on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down the page until you get to sounds and haptics, and then click on that. Once you selected that, under ringtone and alert, locate haptics and then click on it. Then here you have haptics for ringtones and alert. To make your iPhone vibrate non-stop, just go ahead and choose always play. Then this is going to vibrate whether your iPhone is on silent or not. Then you can now hit the bell button, then you're good to go. So that is basically how you can easily make your phone vibrate non-stop on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.